Hello, Tashi. Uh, Today I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Christmas is the birth of Jesus Christ. It is not only a time that people come together and celebrate the festival. It's a time that we need to remind and thankful to those people who have saved our life in the course of pandemic this year. I am very inspired of frontline worker such as doctors, nurses, caregivers, and armed forces as well. They have risked their life, and some of them they have sacrificed their life to save the people. And I also noticed that many NGO members and individual rich and middle class people who came outside and extend their hand to help the poor people who have lost their jobs and who have no food to eat. I sincerely appreciate and share my thankful to all of you. We have made a great history, and our new generation will definitely appreciate and rejoice to us. Still, we have a lot of problem. Among them, one of the biggest problem is climate change and global warming. I would like to appeal all the politicians and experts, now it's a time that we need to come together, work together to address this problem. Once again, I wish you a Happy New Year and Merry Christmas. Thank you.